Hi there. Early in 2023, I seem to be in a investing mood. Yesterday, I invested in Tesla for the first time. For the first time in many years, I would say, because of the stock price. It's getting cheaper and cheaper than that Tesla. Yeah, but today's video will not. I will not talk about Tesla. I will talk about AMD, or Advanced Micro Devices. Yeah, that stock has also fallen quite a bit in the last year, over 50%. And AMD is a microchip manufacturer, and it's quite a big company, and it's growing fast, and the profit is also growing fast until until 2022, of course. Well, it will grow in 2022 as well, but not that much, because in the third quarter, the global computer business was down about 20%. It hasn't fallen that much in 20 years in a single quarter. And that's not good for AMD, because they are making microchip to the computer market. And why am I then buying stocks in AMD? Well, I think like this. If the computer market is falling so rapidly, like 20%, that's huge in just a single quarter. We don't know about the fourth quarter of 2022 as I'm recording this video, but maybe it will keep on falling. Maybe it will keep on falling in the beginning of 2023 as well. But I don't think it will remain low for that long time. And the reason I think that is quite simple. The world needs computers, and the world can't wait to buy new computers that long. You have to upgrade your computers, and a lot of different other things as well, which involves microchips, which almost everything does. So I don't think the revenue will stop increasing for AMD for a long while. I think maybe it will be, as I said, in the second half year of 2022 and in the beginning of 2023, we will maybe see decreased demand for computers and other stuff because of the recession we are maybe going into. Some countries are, for sure, but I don't think that will last as long that either. So I think the world economy, and I think the computer business, and I think some other tech business will start recover in the second half year of 2023, in the autumn, the winter maybe, or at latest in 2024. That means that AMD will start to grow again, and I think they will not stop growing, but they will increase their growth again. So, simply put, I don't think the market for microchips will go down for a long time. And the stock market is responding before the reality. So as soon as we have some kind of sign that the economy as a whole and the tech industry, the computer business, and so on is starting to recover, then the stock prices will immediately increase. So if the market, for example, computers and other stuff which involves microchips start to recover in the late 2023 or maybe 2024, as I think, then the stock market will react to this sometime during 2023, before the reality is in place, if I say it like that. I think I know. No, I think you know what I mean. And now the stock price for AMD is as low as it hasn't been this low since July 2020, if we don't count just 1 or 2 days in October 2022. Otherwise, it is as low as July 2020. 2.5 years ago, that is. The same is for Nasdaq index. It hasn't been at this level since July of 2020. And then the Nasdaq index is of course down because of the several worries in the economy that affect the economy around the world. Where are we going? Where are the economy going? And so on. I don't think the Nasdaq index will fall that much from now on. It has fallen a lot already. So I think the Nasdaq index, and I think AMD and a lot of other different tech stocks and other stocks as well will start to recover very soon. And I'm not trying to hit the lowest level in the stock market or in the stock of AMD, because it's not possible. Well, you can try, but if you succeed, that's just luck. So, but I do want to buy a stock at a low price, and this is a low price as I see it. My own forecast for AMD for well, let's say we don't have the numbers, don't have the profit for 2022 yet, for the fourth quarter. But I think AMD will make a profit of just over $3 a share in 2022. I think they will make about $4 in 2023, maybe more. It depends on when the market is turning for the computer business and other business. And 2024, in the next year, I think the profits per share will be somewhere between $5 and $7 for AMD. That means that the price of the share right now of $62 is about 10 times the profit for the next year, 2024. That's a real low price, I think. Of course, maybe I'm too optimistic in my forecasts here. Maybe I am, maybe I'm not. I don't think I am. Because when I see a significant drop, whatever it is, uh, this time it was the computer business that fell 20% in one quarter. That means that sometime in the future, and I think it will be sometime in the near future, within 1 or 2 years, it will be a significant increase in the computer business. Because the computer business can't fall and then stay at a low level. It's not I mean, private persons, private individuals and companies, they don't stop upgrading their computers and other tech stocks, other tech things that involves microchips. They don't. Then the economy has to fall really, really hard, and a lot of people losing their jobs and so on. I don't think that at all. So I don't think it will be that kind of drop and like 20% and that and I don't think that will continue, and I don't think it will stay at that level. I think it will bounce back up again very soon, and then the stock price will do the same. But the stock price will do it before. That's just how the stock market works. It reacts before the actual reality happens. And that's why I think the stock price will increase very soon, in just a few months, I would say. But I'm prepared to wait longer than that. If the stock market will remain a very bad mood as it has been in the last year. But that's just also one thing to remember. The stock market has been in a very bad mood for a whole year. It's not. I don't think it will remain like that for any long time. No, I think the stock market will turn back up soon. And then even the stock price for AMD, of course. So that's why I invested in AMD today, because the stock price, the price of the stock is just too attractive in my eyes to don't invest. So that's why I did it. If you should do it, it's up to you, of course. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you again. Bye for now.